Bea. Ufiawa. Ogioba, why are you calling my line? Ugbewa. Utu Uwewe. Ogioba. Where? Battle line has been drawn. Ya bua bebu. Ogun ogwe ije etujue mededo mwe latia. Etujue. Iji soke ashawo idedo vinya latia. Okay now.
A document in me. Or they different than the one you have. Because they have the same hair, my
okay now.
No.
Auntie, come chop your food. Come chop her. Who dori buwe?
I'll buy. Because they document.
Who dori buwe? Dori ewe di Ogionba. Ogionba family. Auntie, mo fi tuga sunwu. They no ro ogunga buwe ti mo fi. Ogun agbo ogbotion. Ogbe pious, ogbe joie na snack bete no biaze. Ogun ogbe joie di mo fi. If a ball like joie gbe, wa bi joie di mo fi. Wa bi joie.
How many years? Where the winner?
Okay. Okay.
It's okay where you go and give me. Where do you give me a give? It's okay. Follow God. Here you do up here. If I will go hospital, may they go do operation, nothing for my body. Nothing fake there for my body. That's a day sweat. That's what my mama party born me.
Ogionba dori ewe doe no gun buwe wa gbon. No gun buwe. Oh, Ashawo. Timothy no wait, fucking brother wife. Audio where it's okay. It's okay where audio. Waiting. Audio Nigeria care we soke Nigeria care way. Nigeria can wear Timothy na bielo me bastard di vera viri. E monia eri ma sit down. Eri ma buy government vio. Government vio me Timothy Efra komozo when is okay momo giye me bastard. Me bastard me gaga na Timothy bie Timothy wa agbe ogun ogbiju Timothy no wije. Timothy no wije. Timothy no viaze ogiaze. Timothy no giaze. Wa agbe Iba bo fia kule luwa Timothy. Wow. Mommy not back up your Huwa. You guys are welcome. Share the video, guys. You are all welcome. You know who I got Timothy no. Timothy is okay on your ube. Ogunga gbe Timothy. Timothy no Ogionba. Ogievo. Ogienikao. Timothy no lawyer kije. Timothy no fuck kije. Timothy no fuck tion. Timothy Ogionba family. Timothy ni yewe gbe. Timothy ye fuck egbe wo wa. Princess ifo. Princess ifo. Ye boy eti ha wa lo de ke princess. Princess wefo. Anu gba isoke ya pa ne princess eko. Ijeme o. Uwi soke. Uwe ovie princess ovie soke wefo. Timothy Timothy ne agabagebe ya je kianya princess every time ya maneko every time a princess ya maneko I was as every time ya maneko ne uwe princess ifo uwefo princess ugari agbariave ugile gbenare uwefo princess ifo Timothy ave kuloboyo etu eni gbe wa die princess le ye wa je kianya iyan wa je kianya egbe ni we gbe won na so ye won esi alugure ba ga iwe uwefo princess ifo wa doge princess ifo Timothy Ogunga buwe Ogionba Egbeni we gbiyan. Ogun ga gbijuen. Ogun ga gbijisoke. Ogun ga gbijuen no giaze. No gbete we. No gbete rakara. Ogun ga gbijue ye edimofi. Ogun gbiju ogun gbe deko. Ogun ga gbe deko. Ibaboga le deko gbe. E deko ga uriyeke. E deko ga fiangu. Ogun gbe deko. Aside to ga gbe deko. Aside to gbe deko. Aside to gbe deko. Aside to gbe deko. E deko ga fiangu. E de nemero gwa pious. Ojon wa ga gbe o. Aside ti wa alariye. Ogun ga gbuwa. E fami egbe dan. Egbogyon ba. Egbogyon ba. Nekwe mu aregbeni wegbe. Edimofina we share. As if that is not enough. Edimofina we share madame. Edimofi we share my people. O madame. Edimofi. Ona le wo owo hotion e. Edimofi na le wo hotion e. Ove wo hotion ni ma le se. Edimofi ojo na bi awi soke. Edimofi ojo na le je kenya soke. He sa lo bo wona ho egbe no wiana. Wona ho egbe no suobuna. Edimofi evo iana le je kenya otinya the only sister they have. A princess awan you te ya waye gbo. Amo saze je kenya princess si. We government na do mu vian yo gbare. Iya ye ya we le konna. Uwe princess ifo. Edimofi iwe wa wegbe. Abomination. Ije onomasun de hotel do. Abomination na hio Edimofi. Ogun ga bu Edimofi ga wori ya iba bo la wegbe. Wa gbe o. Ogyon ba apasubi. Wa wori ya. Oh yeah, listen guys.
Just look at you. You don't hold overnight for social media. You mad?
48, 46 years over claiming 50 something. No worry about bon. No worry about bon. Ni wa buana let Edimofi egbe. Tan of babe ogyon ba. No ya nwe pokio. Ni wa bola wegbe wa gbon. Ni wa buana la wegbe. Edimofi ogyon ba. Edimofi, listen, come and chop your food. Don't chop everywhere, come and chop.
When people progress, there's nothing you will pour that will progress for you.
Okay. Owogun gbiju Edimofi. Owogun ha gbiju e. Owogun le gbi soke you are o. Okay now. Okay now.
Mo se nu jeju egbe a. Look at my document. I have my document. What is the script? Because this one, you see this red. You don't fit. You don't use my document. What do you say? Edimofi, I don't go get level for this Dutchland.
All Morocco, we are in a level for Edimofi. Ah, oh your bar. Jesus. Now, wow, Edimofi.
People, sorry for that, guys. People will know you Edimofi. They're from my house. My best friend Sandra. You don't even write.
My people, share this video. Share. It's just the beginning.
You want to put.
Edimofi odosunwu.
Wait, born for Igbo.
Ediogi odosunwu. Edenewerowa. Share the video.
How many years now? For going to 6 years, why I don't enter this Dutchland? He gonna tell you about.
Good evening, Monica Love. My people.
So they walk you. God, I don't leave you for this rubbish way they do. The very day you they do that video way they do that day, I be one comment for you.
Yes, so presenter speaker, I see you, my love. I see you.
How many days now? The real story, the real matter don't come out for social media. One bell, why you way up here? Me not lele. Many are BSC.
Guys, share. They must have walked bijou o. Israel not better. Israel not better. Israel not better. Ogwon bijou Edimofi.
I'm not pure way her or whatever. Ogwon boy. The day my mother give birth to me. Other people they don't get pregnant.
My people, I don't know the house where they show. I never see her. If you not get them, I should send that to me. If na my mother house. Many women not fit buy land. If na my mother house, my mother get 3 houses. If na my mother house, I will confirm it. Now maybe that woman, I know they deny wetin related to me, wetin concern me awo. Okay, awo no. If una get wetin show, mona screenshot am, come for me. Okay? Screenshot am if na my mother house. Any of your house, I go confirm am well. Are you getting me? Many women not fit mode block, even many men, many papa no mode block. Now rent they die put. My papa build, my mama build houses. Okay, if na here, confirm. Wanna screenshot if I'll confirm am for na. Wanna screenshot and send that to my WhatsApp. If na my mama has be that, or I go by myself show una. Okay, I go tell una. I be that woman. I be originality. I know they deny wetin be my own. Wow. Social media not get level reach there. Wow. I'm proud of everything around me. The picture where I go collect, now my brother was Facebook. Now I go collect those pictures. The pictures already not there Facebook. Now my family be that. My stepmother did there, my papa did there, my stepsister did there, my own brother did there, the same papa, the same mama with me. They did there, now my family. Oh, for the picture confirm. For the house, I have not seen it. If na him, I will confirm it. Okay? Wanna just screenshot that for me. Make una send that to me. If na my mama house, to from person mama to build that, this na moi. This na teeth they build house. If na him, if na my mama house, maybe if it be another person house, if na my mama house, I go confirm her. Now tenants dead there. Nobody did there. All right. Continue. Let's continue. Presenter speaker say if na your mother has na big woman she be. Yes, so my mother na big woman. Who know what do a key? Woman wey trade that build 3 house. Read my lips. She trade. She be big trader. She trade build 3 house. Land. Amati ga to. Otonoma ye ga ye boom. Amati ga to. Oto bizef. Land where mama gets. Not be 50. Not be 50. We not fit share am. Finish. Are you getting me? We not fit share am finish. So na big woman, a mother to be proud of. Oh, bewo bien. Oh, whoa. No go Becky. Oh, whoa. No, your Bob will go. Hello, my lady.
Hey, my lady, what is you mom?
Okay, it hold on. Ni moi. Oh. Okay, online. Hello. 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 Esino na tia no. Even tena tia ya fele o, God forbid. Ayafele, even tena tia ya fele, even for papa side, mama side, I not get. Ayafele, memo tena tia ayafele. Memo tie. Frame up, you know. Other me oya plan with Oma. Even tena tia ayafele. God forbid. Awa. I bet leave that here. They tell you I not get brother. They call ayafele. You say make I call. Where I come go. They call my brother. So what's happen? Okay, oh, mere live video. Mere live video. Mere, even tonight, can you imagine Areji? Murphy, come real. I know they do Areji. If I do on a water. Na clear matter. Yeah, ayefele. Which kind name? Na Bini name be that. Abuja which name be that? Ayefele. What is the ayefele? Na Areji. I do not feel the feel my hits. I do not feel you're gonna do RNG. Jesus, are you for real? Ayefele, who be that? I don't get brother when they call Ayefele. This sad guy, they can't just be real. Who you they call? Maybe not another house if they show that because if you don't even feel no, even my mother house, nobody dead there. Na tenants. Na tenants food there. Ayefele, what to be Ayefele, my people? It's not Yoruba name. RNG. Oh God! Saga na real information until they fight. You see, I retire me down tell that day. Reality surface. Now be arranging the fight saga. Who bewa? Na correct information. He ayefele. I never heard that kind of before. What should be ayefele again? Your parents say just go arrange with Percy. If na my brother name Yosta, man, when they bring my past come out for this social media, I not tell na say na my papa be that na there they born me. Now there I grow. Now there I grow to society here before I go. I go mama house. Me I tell now where mama house there, where me for grow. I not grow for upper. Are you getting me? See this mugu. Ayefele. You just go to call another person. EJ, Ayefele brother, Lawa talk that day. Lawa say, my brother when they say Pami, I don't get brother they say Pami, not even a step brother when they say Pami, I know. Hi! Jesus, Eddie Yagwegbe. If you want fight, you fight with real information. You go evidence go there. You for the picture where I carry out my people, now my family picture be that, Sean Bacard. For the picture, yes. Okay, but for calling on somebody Ayefele, no. Okay? I don't get any, I don't even know which tribe they use that name. Ayefele. What be that? Huh? And for the mama house, when I for supposed to clap for me, say I get mama will build house. It's not easy. Many women don't know how to even buy land. Many women don't even feel lay foundation. Now, Regina, I get mama is a proud to me. My papa build, mama build. Mama land, I'm at Tigafo, it Otobungbe. Me were there, brother, till it reach my hand. Till plots. Now it reach my hand. For good area. Now, woman where I use hand do, now I bomb me. Oh no, say, mother work, but now make can be say I dey strong. Ima work, but he come, no matter ye mene, make up ya. What a man can do, mommy love can do better. I take that thing from my mother. Are you getting me? I take her from my mother. Oh, work, but he ain't work, but our bolo wanna view so. So, say, if you know they know where the land there, now my father, they remind us, say, see document, you get land for you get land for you. Otobungbe. I'm at you guys, we speak now. Autonomous guy. More than 30. Now my guy. After we don't share land, the one way still remain more than 30 plots. I am not lying. From that side, I will call my elder sister now. Just I don't be that kind of person who say they involve family for my platform. I don't do it. For the family picture, now my family be that oh. My stepmother dead there, my father dead there, my step sister dead there, my brown brother, the same papa, the same mama dead there. Now be that way do marriage. Now my mother last born be that. The same papa, the same mama. I can't deny. God punish social media. When me go deny what he relate to me. Agua. Eddie, fight with real information. You be all your ba. You fuck your brother wife. You be all your ba. You be cause family. Your children they fuck each other. Am I lying? Nobody social media we see her. Who shall be a yafela when you go to call, go to do arrange call, you dey craze? Arrange your boy. Come and find me with good real information. Who worry you have bon? I don't even get skeleton for my company. People will say, yes, say, I don't get secrets. I don't get secrets. I don't get one to every person go, yeah, now. In my way, we call it that woman. I don't get one to every person go, yeah, now. They'll say, you know, they, papa side, mama side, even my own self. Yeah, I'm free like the bird. Wow, bell. Your family, I don't know which we're not to have which we're not vacuum your way. Wow, fear go boy. Wow, devil war. Eddie Murphy, you can do arrange for all I care. No me what finger yente. No me finger yente. Alright? You never know for this social media say me. You can't fight me with lies. Agua. I don't move with lies. I move with real information. And I don't even get information when you want your night back when you say, you know they. You know they. Devil war. Ogun bijou ne na gbete no giaze. Oya, come chop your food. No fear wo agbon. No devil war. You are bola we gbe. are your boy?
David, when I got my sample as well.
My lovely people, share the video. Let me give it to Edimofi. They call me yesterday. Why they call me Ogwangboa? I am live streaming on Mommy Love Backup, and I'm also live streaming on Mommy Love Talk Show. Yes, I am live streaming on Mommy Love Backup and Mommy Love Talk Show. Join anyone you wish to join. Yes, I'm not live streaming on one platform, no, on two. Why are you whore? Edimofi, why are you whore? You are but you're gonna do a boy.
It's a package.
Boy. I call that name yesterday. I call that name yesterday. Don't even forget the name when they talk yesterday. Why you gonna do a Jiva Bolawegbe? Memo Tiena Tiegbe Niverio. Imo Tiena Tiegbe Niverio. Why are you whore? Ogu we reality. Agu home. Eti joue a poste gouverner. Eti joue ya webe do moins la dia. A poste gouverner. Il joue na bête. Il joue na bête. Il joue même bête. Hein? Il joue même bête au beaucoup ni je. Beaucoup il me joue me yo. On a doit qu'on a bolowa. Alors ça, on a de l'autre. Il y a la signe na auto so. E na mo gbina yo we auto wo kiye. Auto wo kiye. Wa ri okwa won to ni mi e wo bi je me. Okono enegbe. Il joue Edimofi joue bowa dedevede. Il joue ti gbolu dedevede. Wa ri oko won na mo ni je me train. Omo no ma bia no train. Ni bure Canada, ni bure US, ni bure Australia. Omo no wa train. E ma director wa yan abadon yan le fo yin je le viri yan ba mo kokoyan. He's a great woman. Wa deve wa. Iwa bo lawegbe. Go ask my mother Yivieva. Go ask. Oh, boko ni je ari nu binu ya nemi jeme, nu bini market. E ki oli ya oba market ya nemi jeme u Yivieva o ije fulani. Ya nemo ni ya gbe story ma wewe okwo ni no go there okwo no stop piano. Wa deve wa gbe o. Iwa bo fie kun le lu e. Nonsense. Aya, come chop your food. U deve you go to do arrange ya we. Arrange ya we. We gele color time no gele otime. On my phone. On Google. I pray. I pray. Wow, David, wow. Come chop your food.
I for marry myself, get why?
Nonsense.
I for to go marry myself, get why? Because people they die.
Don't go le Morocco boy.
Not say bad boss. Edimofi, you were married a botwa.
I'm married a botwa. I'm married a botwa. Ogi oba. Ogi evo. Ogi enikao. Ogi enikao. If you Edimofi ya kia zanzuwe princess wa. Princess wa zanzan. Agbowe jena. Princess agbowe jena. E 20 da wa ye kia zanzan o ewo wa. Inya wa we princess yege. Inya ye kia kan. Wo yo hano wa ka agbonde o me 12 abi 13 years. Inya ye kia we princess o give yo to gbo. Edimofi wa ragbon. Ibi we ga we gbe. Ah! O janahin. O janahin o. Edimofi ona igi mama o. Wa David wa. Oya, chop your food. Chop your food.
Who was you? I don't know who was to turn it. Mohiagua. Amen. Amen. I go for very soon and or you were in Agua because who were. I can wear ye or Casakin Wicked.
Who they say? I don't understand. Hey, God. Hey. Well, I don't remind me the name again. Edimofi. If you are calling my real family member, call them. Call them. Not RNG. Uzuo. RNG. Ogun ogbuwe. Ogbijue na zena gbete. Ogun ogbe deko. E deko ogun ravale deko. Accident ogbe deko bupona. Accident. Accident. Deko agu bupona. Wa gbe o. ogun ogbe deko iba bola egbe ogun ogbi jouer Eddie Murphy iba bola jouer egbe my people share this video for me nonsense
we think he gonna me with social media with a problem of me with social media.
My lovely people, I love you guys. Let me share the video. Now, so we go give us Eddie Murphy water. Eddie Murphy, we are lose over. Now, we are lose over. How dare you do RNG? He said, now one Yoruba name. One Yoruba name. How he called the name yesterday? I don't forget. How he called the name yesterday? Me not get any brother. Which time not we be bini? Ovie don't pataki mahi. Man, when you be nini? When I am here, RNG, na RNG ya do Eddie Murphy na wa be you are. I wear RNG wa. Me I hope I go call person now say na go arrange with person now. I say na hear Eddie Murphy they talk. Well, who does that? No, you don't see us retire me down take fall out. You don't see us take fall out. Nothing like RNG reality. The thing shockalize her. Why? Because she be evil. Aye fella, hije. That not be beginning now. I mean, you can't get brother they call aye fella. Mama na bini, mama na bini. Ovie top bolo mehi. Ovie top bolo. The man na me aye fella. Which kind of RNG be that? Eddie Murphy ogwan boa. Which one be aye fella again? You know, say the name don't even escape me. The name don't even escape me. Aye fella ke. Wa soon wareji ogbuwe. How dare you fight with fake information? How dare you do RNG when you are doing saga? Ogwan gbi jouer Eddie Murphy. Il joue des verrois, ne oué ba, ne oué yo bon. Wa des verrois. Il va bon la wegbe. Eddie Murphy, look here. Wa sungu we de ne wa ogwan gbuwe. Oh yeah, let's go there. Let's go there. Saga continue. I'm enjoying it. Orion ba toga sungu e de ne wa. Orion ba toga sungu. Eddie Murphy no what yon. Eddie Murphy no sungu no what yon. Wa de verrois. Ogwan bijoué. Ogwan biji sokene elin. Ogwan bijoué Eddie Murphy. Wa bijoué egbe no wia. Egbe no wegbian. Egbe ni ma enegbe. Egbe na weri opon. Me no vie do we ya foje ne aye ne mi wetin e call yourself. Aye fella Yoruba name. Me tell me Yoruba me here. Mi ma hai na mi o aye fella. Mi ma hai na mi e family do bolo mi ma hai na mi aye fella. Ma ovie gon ovie do we ma be so name of him. E do bolo wa de verrois. Je me marie, era me marie ovie gon. Ovie do ma ya hin. Wa sungu. Fake life igwe. Iso kama ku e plan ese. Ye fella, ye na me ye fella vegbe. Ogun ogbiju e so Eddie Murphy. Hello call yon we.
Mommy no.
Eje.
Mommy no. Oh where no kai where the aye remember here to me.
Aye fella.
Mother why the same father.
Oh where the same mother.
Oh where the same father where the same mother working where have we beyond me.
Ije. Me no tie be yo. Agwa.
Oh we you not be no one no one.
Agwa. Information goes wrong. At your nana. Information went wrong.
Oh, which you not a building or one your heritage the house.
Agua.
One of the get a CB.
Agua. Aje fella.
We are bewa.
Eddie Murphy wa le full leg be. Wọ́n lọ ṣá. Ije RNG wa ni. RNG. Ije. My people this one not funny una. See, this one information went wrong. I'm not even no yagwe, mommy love it na. Oh way anywhere na way. Anywhere na way oh. Eddie Murphy. Social media na where you go okay. Agwa gbawe na where you go okay. Wo okay no gwa ba mo si okay. Oh okay, we no ti wa mo okay. Una wa moge don't we moge ba. Don't me moge ba. Aye fella. Ni je me bien yove. Ije. Oko me nu wa ire le hia wa gbon. Edi no di adi o me even no hia na. O me even no hia wa gbon e. Edi ki confuse with the ni ala e go kona. Utu e we gbegbe. Take do de ni ala e. O we vi ya hia e va isoke ye wa kon. Wa ma kon ese. Wa ma kon ese. Nu deve wa. Wa ma kon ese wa vi soke nerere. Wa ma kon ese. The saga now with lies. Edi mo kisi mommy love for your back. Aye fella, oh God. My people, what I tell now? Not be that yesterday I even do video where Edi mocking. Edi your back send me those pictures. Not be yesterday I told her say yes, now my family be that. Now my younger brother Facebook he enter. Because his name carry a dot bolo. You understand me? Yes. Now I go call. I'm not telling her say now my family be that. Not be so I tell her. I said now my family be that. Up my run already 4 hours. All those pictures where he said to me yesterday, I told her, say, my family be that. I will show for my live stream. I said, see, now my family be this. Every time. Me go see be me awa, ma koko me video. Ah, for what? Oh, no, okay. Oh, no, money why you not okay, no? Oh, by family me no every day. Uncle, me no ni. No be this social media they bring my past. Now yes, now see I deny my papa. Now see I deny my papa. I said my papa be that. Papa guy house there one. Ija, men no him. No know me oh. I can't deny what is mine. I cannot, never. It's a curse to do that. It's a curse. If now, where they all mention now, and mind you, my mother has nobody dead there. Nobody dead there. Among mama children, nobody dead Bini. Among mama children, I don't get the same mama. The same papa with me for Bini. They don't base in Bini. Okay? I don't get the same I live the same mama with me now. I don't get anyone for Bini. My mother has now tenant's house. Tenants as our account they when they pay in. All our house now tenants they there. Nobody they there. Last born now Lagos is there. Lagos, mama last born. We don't get anybody for Bini. Say for my mama side though. I get step brothers, I get step sisters for Bini, okay? But say the same papa, the same mama with joie. Who fear one? What go call him? Who bell? That be call him PK. If you call again, my people, if you call again, I go pick, I go post una. Make a pick, make any more bug bear, okay? I did not feel like Betty. No, don't soon go at the never. So. Now be that, my lovely people. Me, now me be that woman. Ogo no jene. Ogo me so okay. You go see me no ogo me awa. In all day. Okay? Okay? Edi go do areji. Wa gbe o ga fie ni wa mutia. Ogun ogbiju egbe deko. O ga fie wa mutia no gun gbiju e. No gun be deko ne deko fie awu. E deko backward ever. Forward never. E deko ga sungu. E deko wu do ga gbe deko. E wa si de to ga gbe deko e deko agbe o. Wa agbe o. Ogyon pa o ya we areji ogbu e. Wa fie awu. Where story where social media. A story where is reality. Me, I don't need to forge. I don't need to do areji. I've not done it before. I will not be doing saga with somebody that will be doing areji. Wow. Why are you fighting with areji? How they call that name just now? Ayela. Name. I'm gonna remind me a beg. That name, I never heard that name before, so I did forget. Never heard that kind of name before. No bell agbon. My own going. My do mahi. Why na me ayela nene nu claim who ya tie nu gbe o agbon e fe ko gbu a ma gba we social media na go oge no wo ba mo se okin a ma gba we re o oge we no ma stable we no oge no wo ba no mo se we nu e tayo tare we no wa ro fi nu ge gwa ri no we ge gwa o na sin gburu a una ve bo na ri e poloma na to na eti to ge o ma gbe o kan na eti we areji o ma gbe nu gbe o aye fele. Na aye fele. At least na aye fela. Okay. Aye fele. I never heard that name before. My people, I not verse if they forget. Me ni dem me wa on na. Aye fele. Arejo buwe wa deve wa gun ogbe deco. Deco backward ever. Deco backward ever. Deco backward ever. E deco asungu. Otion asungu. Otion gotien. Otion rioba. Ou ka sungu. Ije di mofi ou ka sungu. Ogun ka gbije di mofi. Ogun ka gbije di mofi. Ije di mofi ga loriye. Ije di mofi ga fian ku go giazen dan ogbete. Iye di mofi na gbete. Iye di mofi na gbete. Iye di mofi na gbete. Uga sungu boy. E di mofi jwe ga sungu. Ogun ga gbijue. Ijwe ga loriye. Ijwe ga vie yore. Ogun ga gbedeko. E deko aside to kan lariye. Ogun gbedeko. Ogun gbijue di mofi. Ogun gbodi ono tun. Ogun gbiyan. Ogun sali yen koko tu yada. Ogun gbe. Wiya tie no re ba tie. Wiya tie. Ogun ha gbe generation where wa gbe pious. Ogun gbe pious yada. Wa tu wu ewe. Wa fian wu. Hello, iyan wekola. Hello.
Question when you supposed to answer the most, you go answer. What be your power again? Aye fele.
Imagine mama tell let go to Yoruba. Imagine be wa ko be me ni mi de. Ogun yen gwa. Ogun yen gwa.
Ogun no gbe.
Ogun yen gwa me o di Yoruba me kro na mi ni.
Aye
arrange color. Plan work color.
Yoruba.
Attire.
Na Yoruba.
Ime tam gwa do Yoruba me here. Mama relate go do.
You know that I say they lie.
I just tire. Ono ti mu oge ye.
Play a video in the lie. They like kill you. Like kill you. La don't finish all your hair for center of head.
Yes. Oh, fear. Yes.
No way even they lie for your wife they tell you for the video say you know the day shop for what you they talk what you
okay.
Conclude.
Okay. Okay.
Only toilet roll. Boy,
oh, we have one. Oh, we have one. Oh, we have one. Fake life for bear.
Kill you.
Aye, fella, bibi ati nini ni eba. He arrange boy.
Nothing, no house in Nigeria, nothing.
Nothing.
Get a life.
We not sending ni here say.
50.
Eh?
You there 50 years. You there 40 something. You say you don't reach 50.
Can you imagine? Fake life.
La. I bet that man too loud.
Fake life.
Mohammed. La Mohammed. I wake here. When I wake here, walk.
Oh, we have one.
La. What do you have?
Just tire. You do the lie.
January to December, they go even play a video. Say lie when you deny, you see they deny.
Best way go drink water for palace where he deny what he do. None of him lie for person yet. It's your fellow. Where call of vision may end with phone? I pray. Do it real. I got fake any bell like bomb. Who your boy? Not bad like that.
Family no Rahuya.
Here wa fuck biyan. Ah Jesus. A princess here vie ki avalo arrête ni ya.
Wa gate la ye fele. Obi
aye fele.
You know your name where be their way be mommy love papa name. You never hear their name.
I tire.
You don't know they know having everything.
I tell you.
You give Yoruba. You say born for Yoruba.
Mama na my pa born for. You not born any other place. We not be Yoruba. We not relate to any other tribe. We be complete Oye Job Pataki. Oye Sese. Oye Job Polo. When I'm any Yoruba go idiot now. If you want fake something, fake and wear. Not gonna make mistake. I wish not been in a mention now.
Conclude. You saw over here, official on the space. Now, so your wife they ask you say, "Our wet soya."
Okay.
Our wet soya. You say yes, you know. Ogo bue. We se toge to we backman la Mohammed. Usungu.
Oh oui yen gwa je.
Usungu etenewero wa.
Oh oui yen gwa. Mwen pok ben me. Oh oui yen gwa.
Na fiere jouis soke.
Oh oui yen gwa.
Fi jouis soke. E la fi an fijo. Family gbe abja. Family no.
Je eni yoba.
One get a lot.
Ije.
Bye bye, ma.
Where say J? You are blessed and highly favored. Where say? Oh, my people wanna see me. Oh, me don't turn and when they say me relate to any other tribe apart from Bini. Eh? Mama children, all of us. Na my papa, Edopolo. Mama relate to me. I block this idiot. Come on for you. All right. My people, when I see how Eddie Murphy, they lie. I wish not Benin they see talk just now. If I not see any of my brother, they bear such name. Now so Mr. Lawafe talk say, one of my brother they say Pami, did he do me for you go? I say, he go bonek bera, he go bonek bishi. Me I don't hear Pami. When I don't get anybody they say Pami. Oh, come and know. They just surprised me. Yesterday, he also used the word for the other way itself. I not say that other way. The Murphy said come for me yesterday. Wrong, go delete time. Una not say the Murphy wrong, go delete time. He wrong, go delete time, my people. I not get brother way they say for me. Mais non, oui, je vais do. Mais Eko, eye wa je. Eko. He? Oh, come. If you're right here, step brother, step sisters day. But say mama pikin, you know day. Error. Auntie, you fight with reality. Now every time they talk about this social media, if you want to fight with lies, you are just wasting your time. It go they make me angry the more to beat you, the more. I hate lies when you are fighting saga. Reality. Reality, I deal on reality, not faking news. Faking news, no way. No way. As they talk and proof, go they follow. Not because they're going to fight, can't go they plan with person, say what time, not time. Who does that? This is 2022. Who does that? Eh? Who does that? Say you don't go, they do an AG because you want to fight one person. You bear make her on look my eyes where make her on where you are. Wow, bell. You see me as I did so. Oh, if you just fight with the truth, more time where yes, bravo. I don't get what you want to talk. We go make me say you know day for my life. Error. You know day. Iná dé Eddie Murphy wá gbé wá sun ogun ogbiju e ogun ogbiji soke ni ogun ogbele mo e mo danu bi eni wegbe wo wa me mi gbona de mo wa ya wegbe e mo wa dijo ore we lo ye ke owo ko tun otun lo ye ki isoke wa wegbe we lo ye ki ju e ore bad generation wa gbé o la bo fi akulelu e. Why are you calling? As you send me that picture yesterday, I say yes. Now my brother WhatsApp, go collect her. I say sorry. I say WhatsApp, Facebook. I say yes. Now my family picture be that me. I'm not kind of wow. Don't you do for what? I'm money. I'm a boy. I'm only I like bonnet came any day. Messi, you know, give me a wow. No matter a wow. Uncle. Any meme ya yo no relate to meme ya yo do we man na yo go ya yo me yo give me yo yes wa gba Eddie Murphy abo fie kulelo wa sun ogun ogbiju e ogun ogbe deko yo wa o ogun ogbi soke yo wa o wa devil wa sun we de never wa when they shame and disgrace Eddie Murphy if you beg get gwa. Oh, this is going off you know where you are when you're not very body here. That kind of person not they believe. Person where just open eye. On one them born at ye. On a them born at ye. You think say that kind person not there, he not there capable of anything. Una think so. Mona think. I don't say some of them too gas sense. I don't say some of them too get sense. Best way carry my go chop give palace. They cash on, they ask and say, what way me now? If not, some people go say, hey, why we am I saying you want one yo? I making a mien mula, I making a muenela. Ona si a good wa. Ona we dan enye. You know what if you not when or what wa enye ever seen. Ona ve bona ye. Such a person, what you not think? What you not think? What you not think? We saw person if he deny something. Carry su ona vonto. Ona miena mweni o budu yana munona munwo ona sanya wo no kinene mi gbiye kun tore. Like such a person woman where esu no kagele. When me emi baba emi ogopa no etita woman yin. Wa gbe oya we areji aye ale fele binya be tie by. Me brother na ti aye fele. Aye fele ni gwale nene ni ma ve gérer aye fele yataba. Aye fele wa gbe o iwa bo lawe gbe aye fele ogbu oh God. This is just they make me they laugh, my people, I swear. Eddie Murphy, the battle continue. Do more RNG. Make sure say the story war. Make sure say the story of Martin arrange the RNG. Make sure say talk better thing with your RNG talk. Why I feel like I care? Do I look like I care? Me ho no care about where. No tungu e de nevero wa no bel. Ni wa bo fia ko le lue. Wa de verwa. Ogun ogbiju e ijo na gbete. Ogun ogbe. My people share. Mommy love back up, please. Help me to share. Mommy love back up, people. Help me to share. They come make I check something. Aye fele. Omana aye fele hiama. Imana wote na te aye fele. Hiama. Aye fele pa. We me wa mwe fele ne no na wa na jewo. No wa easy. We fele ne no ma ya. Efela vi wote na te efela. Aye fele ni tank be woto. Wa deva wa ogun ogbiju e. Ogun ogbiju e. Wa deva wa. Oh yeah, get out here. If you comment any area, I will block your destiny. Are you getting my point? If you know, you see, the battle line has been drawn. If you're not careful, you will collect. Are you hearing me? Now me be mommy love. Now me. A bad caller no, a bad commenter no rema. Ogun beluwa. Ni maniro wa waja. Nonsense. All right, let's go there. Let's go there, my people. My people, if you are with me, share this video. If you are with me, share this video, people. Share it for me. All right. Eddie Murphy mo gbugwe zaza social media na. Me no. Me wa no. Wa sun Eddie Murphy. Ogun ogbiju e na shawo. Ijwe nu o, nu father life. Ogun wa gbiju ya da. Ogun ogbodion yo wa o. Odion nu wo kan. Ne kwemu. Nu dan ogbabe. Wa worry ya. Let me look for something, my people. Let me play something for you guys. They come. Let me play something for you guys because Eddie Murphy, he me nena. Ija, he me nena, it's okay. Eti ya do sun wo bi me. Iya magba me. Ijere o. Anko. Fake information we are facts. Wa gbe o. Ogun ogbiju e. Fake information we are facts. Eddie Murphy. Eddie bring waiting Ha, Bello Beatrice, you but talk down Asha. We baba Tony. Eddie bring who down. Eddie all the nyama way fully life. As he don't say fuck his brother wife. As he don't say me not even get one thing for my life. When we say me, they go person go talk. I'll hide my face. Not they. Wow. Are you getting me? Am I where Eddie Murphy where don't fuck his brother wife. Eddie Murphy where be say. He fuck he wife Mama Ellen. Edimofi wey be say he fuck him mama also. He fuck his wife, my fuck him mama. He fuck his brother wife. His children they fuck him shoulder for his house. Edimofi wey be say oh bad with the mema whoever. Or man he never done. Now me we record straight, record clean. Now I want done. Are you my lady? I beg. Okay, I beg. Not talking like that. Let me block this idiot. All right, get out. So my people, let's go there. Let's go there. Oh, saga continue. Yes, saga continue. Okay, saga was continue, my people. Oh yeah, now fast forward. Where my speaker? Let me on it. You see this one? I bet carry on. They go. Poor husband for prison. Whole story. He there, may die there. May die there. Okay. Sis husband there prison, make it die there. Prison now not be life. Now life now. Now life. Prison not be life. You not die pass. You not good pass who die. Go and sit down. Whole story. Rumor one they carry up and down. Yeah, people. Yeah, people. I'm gonna get that before I put it for blocking list. Oh yeah, my people, let's go there. Let's go there. We don't finish this till yesterday. Everything we want to beat Eddie, I must play all. Oh my God, this my own reality. I'm not there for go they do arrange. That one not make any sense. That na person not see something to do. Really, it's really downgrading. Go they do arrange. Say you want to fight with person. Come on, what do you feel? What do you feel? What do you feel? Say you feel use arrange fight saga. I pray oh. I pray oh. Who God general, I see you. Who God, may I play that thing when you say for me, Jare? Who God general. Edimofi no yamba. Edimofi no wune. Edimofi no sunwu. Edimofi no gun agbe yada. Edimofi no ogbe o. Edimofi no dan no wije. Edimofi no fian wu. They not there. Edimofi no gun agbe yada. Edimofi no ogbe o. Edimofi no gun agbije no giaze. Edimofi no sunwu. He post family picture at the back for una. I know they understand some of una for year. I don't understand some of una for year today. Yeah. Me tell you say family picture. They know they post picture. What's the big deal posting person picture? You hear say mama tie, my pa tie the towel. You hear say my pa it be like this for the picture. Like retire me udam papa. You hear say my pa it teeth draw come out like shovel where it might not fit contain. You hear say my sisters say my step sisters they both. You see and say my brother where dead there where they post. You hear say he wear boxer for 7 days, he not wash am. He post for your family picture and so fucking what? It's okay, mama picture they load. No worry. No worry. Okay? No worry. He post picture. Now today the most start to the post picture. Not be picture till they post, till they live for it, till they do living. He post for picture for a living. If you don't know now, know it now. Eddie Murphy back post picture for a living. When he post people picture, they will come and beg their picture with 100 euro and 50 euro. 90 they live. Now government property at his age. I go fear when they fear make get the Murphy go on back. Now waiting their picture. Me tell you, say not be my family. If the picture where I said for me yesterday, now my family one not there, they will not be my family. Oh. I swear, I can't deny anything that had to do with me. I want. Maybe not he. Oh my God, mommy love us here. Oh mama coco wo why he. You understand? Who they call me? Hello. He? Oh. If you.
we are arrest on one.
Doctor no ya arrest for nine.
Oh, bell.
We not try. Ije agboku I said no ba. Imo tiena tie afela neneni Ime Arejino Ija. Oh God.
Because I did not hear about almost a swing walk your banner.
The number no hianya di number.
Mama.
Anya di number je.
I worry, it is very like money time when I have you come.
Ni ayefele ni. Lawo je, imo vigile do imo viera. O tene Arejino. When no anybody muebo. Tene agboku. Do mo vie iwa mo viera imo vige. Okay. When no have anybody no mu to her. Imo vige the door not be get the monkey of your back. Oh, yeah, better. Yes, oh, now back to back, if ye back to back of your banner. Tame welare of your banner, tame welare, agbona ma easy. Devil, at all. Soon. Yes. Okay. Kaje. Obi, not where some people now I will block on later because the bless they miss on your people comments. When I enter blocking list, I swear, and I may be mama block for this social media. The only presenter that block without thinking twice, without having no control. I don't get control for blocking as you see me here. So, okay, now let's go there. Let's invite Ugo General in the building. Ugo International. Ugo, the great man. The great man. The great man. The man of speaking true. A man of caliber and caliber. I not see lovers. I not get brother. Whether they score a jalele zero. Okay. See, Eddie, arrest anybody arrestable. To hell with you. Are you getting my point? Wa gbe me ya saga emerere we yet position re mo run ya saga emerere we are miove we ga ye miove we ga ime ogun ga gbuwe we you will see, you will know that upo na miami we you go know say me upo na miami we ga upo na miami. Wa deve wa ija esaga nene level ana we eriono esaga no ne level edi mo fi ogun ga gbu e umana iti arrest oma ogele otime ogun ga gbu e ugwe mana iti gele arrest oma arrange nba ya mo awon pa do video ewe oti mo mi love agwa ugwe mana gele iti mo ma no sike me o vigi me o vieri me ogun ogbu e ogun ogwa gbu e oi gwo kun tore e bonu ve ni ve gwa oga mi obo mi ege ya oyo ohun o mi obo ya gbuwe ogbu ogbo de e mo danu bi ani wegbe wo wa o bo ni ami ege ya lo mi le gbiyan ogbu egbiji soken wa fin agu when I am married ya shawo na be ya shawo as a wife we na ugba bone gbe ori mo kino we always mi ati e isoke gino wa ohun egun amu eri agwese oya muwe ya wa gogojo nu gbe o wa gbon wa fian wo iba me iuma wa o mana legawe zo bo awa legawe awa almost to legawe mi atam wewe mommy love wa de verwa iba bo lawe gbe me mi no emu we fe problem si e o me mi no implicate we zegbe I know your late mother before. Now you sabi. I don't know you know. You know the time dirty towel. You hear say now bewe they fuck for that. No, my mother that time mama we no access. Oh, but no you go more. No you bomb we go bono we go no mwekia. Oh bono mwekia ne we go. Oh bien no bono we go no we go. Oh the mwekia ekera me bae. Oh je no bien. Oh kono dueki. Oh kono gele dueki no yo bomb we go na bolo wa. Oh na de loto ye moto. Oh na de loto to Sarah. E vision no bien every time you time. Go and ask question. Go and ask question. Oh God, all this my comments. I know they like him. I know they like him beg. Hija. Oh, me I ignore myself. So nai, ije no enegbe, no enoma, ije no kwa yo so. Okay, akpari aye. Oh bien me, ije no reto we, no reto ye. Oladi so gijime. Amati ga efo. Oko no dwe ki hwere. No ya ma. Oko no ye when ya hit 1 million. Ah bien me. Okay. Ah bien me. Okay. Who they compare view for ye ba la jwe gbia. E view ogbo. Edi mo fi no ya like social media. Me ka mi are. Orion ba. Orion ba na ku for be gwa public shame and disgrace na la gbe. E view who load do no view la. E view ogbo ene normal. Abi usun gu ogun gbijwe. Yeah, pick this call first. Hello.
Oh, my love in Onka. Good evening.
I greet you, my lady. Call Jenogi.
I greet you, my big mommy. You demand that city. I bet you give me chance when I tell you something.
Okay.
Put up for a year, man.
May I put up for a year? Okay. I dey come. Oh. Hello. I dey hear you. Imo ye one. Okay. Boss no. Say the guvenia. Say Okay. Okay, I know what I'm calling you from Spain. What call it? What's here? Oh, no, where you know what change away? Oh, my we are better. Ije di Mofi. From Spain, what want to win ya be dekowa? So what's here? And we may tell you, no watch Ije di Mofi. Ije, oh, we one of you, I know what we people saw him. A boy not talk a big woman. Ije me. Yeah, a black belly, you are all talk a big. Send there, gume, J. Send there. Who down the talking? Jimmy. Okay, send there, J. Oh, what am calling you from Spain? Where on it away? Here, ya be a cheap of this way. I give money. I bet the co. Whereas we mave gwago, we mave toni what ye tie bone. Ono wa change Ijimi. Because hotel, woman calling you from Spain. Eyo, bego, okay. Say that for me, my sister, my Spanish sister. Yes. Ijimi. Say the RG. Ije, where say my sister? If you Spain, man. If you Spain, man, so una de yatori. The woman wey call Edimofi yesterday, where Edimofi talk say person call her from Spain. Now call me so. And they come here pick this call. Jimmy, hello. Ni mo explicare. Hello, G. Where see a G, see where relax. Oh, where's relax? Hell. Oh, Edimofi. Okay. Ije was your coco, was Edimofi, me. Was. Where's Edimofi? Where's Edimofi? Where's my sister? Ah. Congé. Okay, G. Okay, bless it. My people wanna see EJ me. We will not be. Una see that woman where be say. Una see that woman. Where the Mofi talk say call her from Spain, my people. Hey, oh what the woman ain't coming now from Spain number. Isn't that she called the Mofi yesterday? They curse the Mofi, they curse the children, they curse Isoken. He said come curse, they said the Mofi come carry the phone, come on for where live video they come go the receiver for inside house. He said come curse the Mofi, curse her where. He said now the Mofi just come out. He said now the Mofi just come out. Come change and say, hey, person just call her from Spain now. I played the audio yesterday. Person just call her from Spain now. They say they want to go kill Deco. And the Mofi just change word. And the call her to curse her. He not even talk anything related to that side at all. And the Mofi just fabricate her. Lie, say, person call her from Spain now. The person say they want to go kill Deco and the Deco near me a big. Ugu to wa baptize mo fe oba se iyan gele gbewa e dan yan gbewa wo e doni o accident mi ohun e do hianje una see as the mo fit dey lie na the caller na come na dey see as the mo fit dey lie wey it's okay go dey argue with her say no that will not be sister voice because it's okay hear the voice the woman go dey tell it's okay go dey tell the mo fit say that will not be their family. Where the Mofi come talk say, na his sister, na his okay sister. Na his okay say you know the voice. You never hear that kind of voice before. Now the woman call her from Spain. He say no, he just call her to curse her. Now Chris inside the Mofi here begin the lie. Say they your call her now. They say they want key. They say they want key Deco. They say they want key Deco. Pipe Bobisa say he want say people go key Deco. Your change allegation. Now see life. The woman sent the woman where come here now for Spain where call the Mofi. He sent me audio. Mo will look at. The Mofi toge. The Mofi e borak bele mo joa o. Organ we tana e borak bele mo joa o. Mona listen. She sent me the audio.
What you are doing, you understand me? I just want to appreciate you. At least it was a good thing.
People, the Mofi can't give people this woman number where call her from Spain. Maybe people they insult her, but people can't call her. They bless her. They insult Eddie Murphy. They tell her say well done. They curse Eddie Murphy. She give the woman number out. Maybe people call her, curse her, threaten her. But those people can't call her. I never listen to the audio according to what she tell me. The people can't call this woman. They bless her. They say they curse Eddie Murphy. Say Eddie Murphy now God will punish her. Now they see life. Una de sia, mona sia, mo will listen to her. He salo owa tawa vegbe.
For your family. I appreciate it so much. I was wondering if
This one they appreciate the woman saying he appreciate her so much.
the family, if there's nobody to talk to this rubbish guy.
He said there's nobody to talk to this rubbish guy.
Family that sweet potato.
Hygiene, mona listen, my people, they try to increase the volume. Hygiene. Aish. The movie they lie, sha. The movie talk again.
All the man children that can talk.
May we leave all this one first. Well, play. May I look for the one where the woman take color.
Eddie Murphy, you are a bastard. Every time you be insulting my grandpapa. Look at you, 48 years old. Eddie Murphy, you are 48 years. You should not baptize your useless mother. We have the video of your mother.
Una see her? Hello.
Hello, you there live?
I dey live. This say I remove her for speaker self. I dey live. You dey speaker.
Okay, no, well, I want you finish now.
Okay.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. I'll call you when I through.
All right.
E.g. My people. Wanna see the woman wey call her for Spain, oh. Oh, Jesus. Eddie Murphy, your changer. Wanna listen, my
Eddie
people.
Murphy, you are a bastard. Every time you be insulting my grandpapa. Look at you, 48 years old. Eddie Murphy, you are 48 years. Metonda baptize your useless mother. We have the video of your mother. We're going to post it. We have the video of your mother. Go and look at your mother's leg. Everywhere is big sore. Thunder baptize you, baptize Dennis. Metonda baptize Dennis. Dennis will die by motor accident.
Amen.
Dennis will die by motor accident.
Amen.
Dennis will die by motor accident. Useless family. You that slept with your mother, you are a bastard.
The audio many more fair play this one first.
You that slept with your mother. Eddie Murphy, we're going to open everything to social media. Did audio not sleep with your wife when you left Isoke in Nigeria? Audio slept with Isoke. Audio slept with Isoke. Audio slept with Isoke. Or slept with Isoke mother. You also slept with Isoke mother. You are a fool. My grandpa is better than you. My granddad is better than you.
No, they
better than your own generation. Go and look at your father, Monkey. Your father, there is no difference between your dad and between your father. Look at Ogyomba. Look at you. You come to Nigeria. Eddie Murphy, the useless man. Can you come to Nigeria? You come to Nigeria, you bastard. I'm gonna send everything to social media presenter, you bastard. Eddie Murphy, you are 48 years. My grandfather have said it all. You are 48 years. You come to social media and be saying you are 56. You are a bastard. Eddie Murphy, you are a bastard.
Now this one is changed so. Hey, Eddie can lie.
You think everyone is afraid of you?
Eddie can lie.
Your brother is the most.
He don't go to a Regina. Most of you don't believe. I just dey laugh una. EJ, una see life. Una see life. Me I play am.
Hey, Deco. Metonda baptize Deco. Metonda baptize Deco. Deco will die by motor accident. Audio will die by motor accident. Eddie Thunder will baptize you, baptize your Ogbe Toto. It's okay. It's okay. Don't you know that? Shut up, you that Owamagbe was useless in her life. Don't you know how many times Grandpapa helped you? You that Owamagbe was useless in her life. Idiot. Or I did not sleep with your mother. Many people.
You see, now call. Now they hear Isoke voice. Now they hear the Murphy voice. Now the Murphy your change say they want to go kill Deco. EJ. Ogyomba to the lie. Ogyomba to the lie. Ogyomba to lie. Oh, Eddie Murphy ogunga gbo. Ebonu ve palace in your gbo. Ogbo wa gbo de. Ogbele mo you are aware. We me ebon wina. Ebony winner the go when be man. Uwe okan seleke. Shameful death or how go social media now. Where shameful death. Shameful death. Oh, how good social media now. Where? Oh, go back. More we play the other one, my people.
Princess, did you know Eddie Murphy? Can you Eddie Murphy? Did you forget that Grandpapa went to do? Do you forget Grandpapa went to do cleansing for your Grandpapa went to do cleansing for your princess? Did you forget Grandpapa went to do cleansing for your princess? Did you know how many things? Do you know how many times they have Grandpapa, you are insulting Abdul cleansing for princess because your son was sleeping with her? Look at him, stupid man. You're just a stupid man. So stupid. You're so stupid.
Hey, Timothy, now this one, Timothy, your change. Say they want to keep Deco. Una see lie. When they believe it, Timothy, they make banwa for real. Oh no, what if you no get gwa? Inyagi no na si gurua. Ona vembona rie koloma. Why I believe it born don't Now Sabi, now a cup of tea be that. That's not my business. I have no issue with that.
Liar. Liar. Then you will be ready to swear when if you say that, be ready to swear. Be ready to swear. Be ready to swear. Be ready to swear, you bastard. 48 years old man that don't have brain.
Oh, may I play the other one, my people.
You that Enoge slept with, Onoge slept with you. Enoge slept with you.
Now see, I say na go. Now they see Diorion Ba and his sockering group because they hear their voice. Now they hear her.
Enoge slept with you.
Now the Murphy just can't live video, can't change, can't they lie. Now so they say they want to keep that. Iya bobo miege, iya bobo, iya musto miege mi oboya gbe deko wa wo edoni. Edeko afia wo. Eh? Jesus Christ, that's what person they lie. That's what person they lie. Jehovah Shammah. This one not shock una my people.
Enoge slept with you. Enoge slept with you. Enoge slept with you, bastard.
Now the year, may I pick this call quickly? Hello. Sama meje. Ide medera. Wase de ye WhatsApp meje. Iron we phone, we phone na. Wase de ye WhatsApp me koje. Who get that course where they lay on Eddie Murphy Orion Ba? I beg send that to my WhatsApp. I beg anybody, I get her. But if I go look for her, it go take me time. Wanna send that to me? Nah. I beg. When I send that from my WhatsApp where I put out there on my know my WhatsApp now. When I send that to me, nah, my people. What am I?
Bastard family. A family where they slept with each other. They told that baptize you. They told that baptize you.
Now not see this lady voice and it's okay voice. Difference not there. Difference is clear. It's okay. Me make my voice okay, Joe. Eh? Mommy love, I really give the insults well. I don't understand. Now you send me this audio. You say you really give the insults well.
The madness I want to cause to you people. I just want you guys to mad this night.
Una dey hear?
Mad couple.
Now see as the most they lie. Una hear anything where they want to go kill Deco for you. In enter live video change am. As the most fear bog buwe. O go back buwe. Who talk a day? You are too fake. You lie too much. Oh yeah, and you kutu. Una ya vembo na mgbegbe na mgbemo nu bi na mgbi soka ogi ogwawe. Una vembo na liye epolo ma Orion Ba. Orion Ba. No ya nwe potopoto. Una we no kun bu etore. Wa afia wu. Exactly that potopoto where he drink can de pepper for body. Mother said that to me. Yeah? Yes, now me fire Ediorion Ba when cause craze for your body. God bless you, Monica. Love Monica. God will bless you.
Many calls. Eddie Murphy, go and treat yourself. Epilepsy man. You just came back 3 days ago from hospital. You are started again.
You see a soccer voice be like, Isalo. I mean, if voice on January to December. Egbe goni wa de we netere. E voice. Egbe blishiri e dagbon wa. Can you imagine? Oh me love go. I beg, get us for here, not fit for later.
Stupid man. A family of frustration. Look at her.
So Eddie and Isoke can't lie. They don't know say the girl record them shy. Eddie, you can lie. Shy. He can lie. See now, don't go call person do a Reggie call. Say na my brother. What? When it comes to lie, which lie Eddie Mofi not feel lie? Eddie Orionba. Wetin you not capable of? Orionba no go agbera gbije. Ije no giazen. Ne la vija na fiya wu kiji soke o eneli. Ne deku anagbe o. Can you imagine? It too they lie. I don't like people that deal on lies. I don't like it. When I see you,
look at them. Mad couple. Yeah. I'm sending everything to Enoge. I'm sending everything to Enoge. You are just crazy. Stupid family. Metonda Bata is okay. It's okay. Your first daughter will end up in frustration.
No, no, say this our lady voice says she finish. This our voice will make person sleep off. See, it's okay. You really make no ya clear. I make no ya nice voice. I make no ya nice voice. No bell is okay. That shower bay. I shower in grody. Who were not da. Who were the best ya when I hear. I make a voice of a man.
Princess, you will die by motor accident. Princess will die by motor accident. Princess will die by motor accident. Princess will die by motor accident. Please go and give your first son to Frank Victor. Even that, even Grandpa know that your first son belongs to Frank.
Voice.
Shut up, stupid woman.
Nasia say na call conversation. Nasia, the lady voice said that is soaking the ring drop make voice said there. Then the mafia and soaking just change. Say Chief Bobby Zwa don't say person me they go kill Deco. Iyan gele mi obo wa bata abase uwu doroga gbe Deco. Deco afia wu. Deco me arabe shi me de me noni. Imere noni. Una see how the mouth they lie? Very dubious human being. Now see how they lie, my people. Hey God. Me I see this one.
Stupid man. Look at him. Look at this madman. You are sick. Oh. Have you taken your medicine? Have you taken your medicine? I heard that you just came back from the hospital. Stupid man.
No gugbe ya da no gugege nena. No gugege na no ne boyo egbe na.
You be insulting grandpa. You be insulting grandfather. You are a stupid man. Look at him. We have rejected you. We don't know you in our family. We don't know you. You're so stupid. You come to Nigeria. Eddie Murphy, you come to Nigeria. Eddie Murphy, you are 48 years. You go on social media and be prouding for people. Come to social media, stupid man. You stupid man. You are not a
my lovely, wonderful people. Now see lies.
People baptize you. Look at him. Epilepsy man. Look at him. Your children are sleeping with themselves. Look at him. I'm gonna send a note to your mother's video. Well, look, we have the video.
Eddie can lie. Oh, go keep bono no ya nwe potopoto. Potopoto. Oh, your ba. Wa deva wa sun ogun ogbo yada. I dey come, my people. Just give me 1 minute. I dey come. Give me 1 minute, guys. May I make this call? Where my other phone? Hello. My lovely people. I beg. Oh, where my this thing? I beg, small and not verse. I just run go make. Cause I see message where somebody sent to me. Let me know. Una head not correct. Who they comment this one? You wear so. Are you sure say you wear? Eh? And they come here, I reply. I want to send something to give person. Let me quickly send something. Oh, hey, the number not there here. Now here it is. My people, excuse me, I'm not go anywhere. I want to take number. I want to send that to person. Sorry guys, I just quick collect number. I want to send and give person. I beg. I they call my lovely people. Just 1 minute. Me I send and give the person. My people, I'll add Mommy Love backup because I know if you send the number, I don't know why. Make I just send them through Mommy Love backup. I shall be back, or I not go end and make a quick just make I quick just do am through this phone.